2026 Honda CR-V continues Honda's tradition of building vehicles that feel easy to live with, dependable, and thoughtfully designed for real people. At first glance, the CR-V looks more refined and confident than ever, with a wider stance, clean body lines, and a modern front grille that gives it a mature but sporty presence. The LED headlights and taillights are sharp and functional, improving visibility while adding a premium touch. It's not flashy for the sake of attention, but it looks like a vehicle that will age well over time. Step inside, and the CR-V immediately feels practical and comfortable. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Honda's interior layout focuses on simplicity, with physical buttons where you need them and a clear, easy-to-use infotainment system. The touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making daily driving and navigation seamless. Materials feel solid and well-assembled, reinforcing Honda's reputation for quality that lasts. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V offers efficient and reliable powertrain options. The standard engine delivers smooth acceleration for city and highway driving, while the hybrid variant focuses on excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The ride quality is one of the CR-V's biggest strengths. It absorbs bumps comfortably, stays stable at high speeds, and feels confident around corners, making it ideal for long trips or daily commutes. Safety is another major highlight. Honda equips the CR-V with a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work quietly in the background, adding confidence without feeling intrusive. What truly sets the 2026 Honda CR-V apart is its balance. It doesn't try to be the fastest or most luxurious SUV, but it excels at being reliable, efficient, comfortable, and easy to own. Low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and Honda's proven engineering make it a smart long-term investment. For families, commuters, and anyone who wants an SUV that simply works every day without drama, the 2026 Honda CR-V stands out as a vehicle that genuinely earns its reputation. The 2026 Subaru Forester continues to build on its reputation as a rugged, reliable, and versatile compact SUV designed for drivers who want capability without compromise. At first glance, the Forester exudes a confident, practical look with clean lines, a bold front grille, and signature Subaru LED headlights that give it both presence and excellent nighttime visibility. Its boxy yet modern silhouette not only improves aerodynamics, but also maximizes interior space, making it ideal for families, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who needs a versatile vehicle. Inside, the Forester feels surprisingly spacious and welcoming. The cabin is thoughtfully laid out with intuitive controls, comfortable seating, and high-quality materials that feel durable and built to last. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, while cargo space is abundant, especially with the rear seats folded down, making it perfect for weekend trips, sports gear, or groceries. The infotainment system is responsive and user-friendly, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity on the go without overwhelming the driver. Under the hood, the 2026 Subaru Forester is powered by Subaru's tried and tested naturally aspirated engine, offering smooth, predictable performance for city driving and highway cruising alike. Standard all-wheel drive gives it an edge over many competitors, providing exceptional traction in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions. The ride is comfortable yet composed, with suspension tuned to absorb bumps without compromising stability, so daily commutes and long road trips feel equally effortless.
Safety remains a core strength of the Forester. Subaru's EyeSight suite of driver assistance technologies comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features work seamlessly, enhancing confidence on every journey without feeling intrusive. What sets the 2026 Forester apart is its blend of practicality, reliability, and all-weather capability. It's not the flashiest SUV, nor the most luxurious, but it's one of the few vehicles that consistently delivers on what matters most: comfort, space, safety, and durability. For drivers who value peace of mind, dependability, and versatility, the 2026 Subaru Forester stands out as a long-term companion, ready for city streets, highways, and off-the-beaten-path adventures alike.
The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that truly stands out by blending style, performance, and everyday practicality in a way few rivals can match. From the moment you see it, the CX-5 makes a strong first impression with its sleek, sculpted bodywork, bold grille, and refined lighting elements that give it an athletic, premium presence. It doesn't shout for attention, but it looks genuinely tasteful and modern, a vehicle you're just as happy to park in a business district as you are to take on a weekend escape. Step inside, and the interior reinforces that premium feel. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials, soft surfaces, and an intuitive layout. Mazda has carved out a space that feels more upscale than many competitors in this class. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives, and there's ample room for both passengers and cargo, making it a versatile choice for families, commuters, or anyone who demands practicality without feeling cramped. The infotainment system is easy to use and responsive, with smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 offers a choice of efficient yet spirited engines. Whether you go with the standard 4-cylinder or the available turbocharged option, the CX-5 delivers a driving experience that feels both engaging and composed. Mazda's focus on handling means the CX-5 feels nimble and confident around corners, while maintaining a smooth, comfortable ride over everyday roads. It's one of those SUVs that makes driving feel enjoyable, not just functional. Safety is also a core strength here, with a suite of driver assist features that work quietly and effectively. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring all contribute to a safer, less stressful driving experience. What makes the 2026 Mazda CX-5 truly special is how it balances personality with practicality. It's stylish without being showy, engaging without being demanding, and premium without an extravagant price tag. For buyers who want an SUV that feels fun to drive, comfortable to live with, and smartly put together, the CX-5 is a compelling choice that hits all the right notes. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe brings together style, comfort, and capability in a way that makes it one of the most compelling mid-size SUVs on the road today. The moment you see it, the Santa Fe's bold design catches your eye. Its sleek profile, sharp LED headlights, and distinctive grille give it a confident, modern look that feels more upscale than its price tag might suggest. It balances muscular presence with refined lines, making it just as comfortable in a city driveway as it would be on a scenic highway. Step inside, and the interior continues that theme of thoughtful design. The cabin feels spacious and well-appointed, with quality materials and intuitive controls. The seats are supportive and comfortable, perfect for long journeys or daily errands. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the cargo area is roomy enough for luggage, sports gear, or whatever life throws your way.
The infotainment system is easy to navigate, featuring a responsive touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, so your smartphone apps and navigation are always within reach. Under the hood, the 2026 Santa Fe offers engine options that balance power and efficiency. The standard engine delivers smooth, reliable acceleration for everyday driving, while available engines offer extra punch without sacrificing fuel economy. Whether you're cruising on the highway or merging into busy traffic, the Santa Fe feels composed and confident. Its suspension soaks up bumps well, providing a comfortable ride for driver and passengers alike. Safety is a major focus for Hyundai, and the Santa Fe comes equipped with a robust suite of driver assist technologies. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all work together to make driving easier and more reassuring. These features are designed to help protect you and your passengers, whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on a road trip. What makes the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe stand out is the way it blends practicality with premium touches. It's spacious without being bulky, refined without being delicate, and packed with features that make everyday life easier. For families, commuters, and anyone who wants a reliable, comfortable SUV with a strong value proposition, the Santa Fe delivers a well-rounded package that's hard to overlook.
The 2026 Ford Edge is a midsize SUV that strikes a great balance between performance, practicality, and everyday comfort. From the moment you see it, the Edge looks confident and purposeful, with clean lines, a bold grille, and sleek LED lighting that give it a modern yet sophisticated presence on the road. It doesn't try to be overly flashy, but its design feels well-crafted and thoughtful, like it's built to fit into both family life and weekend adventures with ease. Step inside, and the Edge continues to impress with a spacious, well-laid-out cabin. There's plenty of room for adults in both the front and rear seats, and the materials feel solid and refined for the price range. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, with easy-to-reach controls and a responsive infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so connecting your phone, navigating, or streaming music is simple and seamless. Cargo space is generous, and the rear seats fold down smoothly, giving you flexibility whether you're loading groceries, luggage, or gear for outdoor fun. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Edge delivers a mix of power and efficiency that suits a variety of driving styles. The standard engine provides smooth acceleration and plenty of passing power on the highway, while available options offer extra performance if you want a bit more punch. The ride quality is comfortable and composed, with suspension tuned to absorb bumps and keep occupants comfortable over rougher surfaces. Steering feels confident and responsive, so you enjoy driving the Edge, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on open roads. Safety is a strong point for the Edge, with a suite of driver assistance features designed to support you on every journey. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all contribute to a more relaxed and secure driving experience, helping you stay aware of your surroundings without feeling overwhelmed by technology. What sets the 2026 Ford Edge apart is its versatility. It doesn't just check the boxes for space, comfort, and tech. It ties them together with a driving experience that feels balanced and engaging. For anyone looking for a reliable SUV that's comfortable for daily use and capable for longer trips, the Ford Edge stands out as a smart, well-rounded choice.